Well, so far, after riding 3 sections of the California South BDR, this is just the start of the end of section when I'm heading southbound on this trail. So far though, California versus Nevada, this is a lot easier. There's actually dirt. You can actually see dirt on the ground now, not just sand and gravel. So, and it's been pretty fast. It's been a fun deal, I gotta say. The trail here is really fun coming out of Pahrump heading southbound. So, no complaints here yet. So far, so good. This has been actually a really fun trail. Not bad. You gotta watch out. There's some roads that just cross right in front of the track, or I guess the track crosses in front of the roads, but they'll just be going left to right. You don't even see. There's no stop sign. They don't put any signage there that hey, there's a road. So you gotta kind of be vigilant there, just south of Pahrump, when you're out there on the trail. But definitely a way easier track to ride than what I've been riding the last couple of days. So I'm enjoying just relaxing and I guess looking at the vast openness that is Nevada. Southern Nevada. I've heard northern Nevada is really nice. Well, we're almost down to Prim and got on a dirt road here and it says caution desert tortoise habitat. So let's see here if we can't find one maybe along the trail as we pass. That section had a fair amount of sand, I gotta say. It probably went on for a couple miles of sand. And it's not bad sand either. I still wouldn't say that's too big of an issue, but it is going to put a damper on things for some people, I guess. But I mean, you can go straight up over this. It ain't gonna kill you. All right, here we go. And let's see if we scrape a little bit. There we go. And we're in. No, that's not bad. That ain't much of an issue.